Namaste, welcome to RSV Group of Schools YouTube channel. Once again, class 10th, chapter 14, statistics. We are on to the last exercise, that is the graphical representation of data. Now, from the graph, we can calculate only one measure of central tendency, that is the median. Now, how to calculate the median, how to draw the ogive. Ogive is the graphical representation of this data. We have two types of ogive, a less than ogive and a more than ogive. Alright, this is the data right in front of you of exercise 14.4, question number 1. The data says the daily income in rupees and the number of workers, and we have calculated the CF. From the CF, we have calculated n upon 2 and 25. Since 25th term lies in this class, so 120 to 140 is our median class. That means the lower limit of the median class is L, frequency of the median class is F, CF is the preceding cumulative frequency, and H, the class width or the class size, is 20. Now, by calculation, the median is approximately rupees 138.57 or 138.6. Clearly, this cannot be located properly or accurately on the graph, but still we will get an idea. That is why we have to verify it by the formula. Now, let's see how to draw the less than graph and then the more than cumulative frequency table. Less than 120 rupees. Now, less than 120 rupees says that this table here contains 12 workers. So, less than 120 rupees, the workers are 12. Less than 140 is both these classes. That means the workers are 26. Similarly, less than 160 is all these workers, that is 34, and then 40, and then 50. Clearly, to understand, this is basically the CF here for the less than type. Right? You can simply copy the CF, but you have to understand the basic concept. Now here, we have the more than type. Now, before we draw the more than type table, let us plot these points on the graph. We have to plot these points 120, 12. 120, 12. So, this is the point somewhere here. We mark it as A and write A here as 120, 12. Similarly, we have B 140, 26, and so on. Let's plot all these points. 140, 26, 140, 26 is somewhere here. Then 160, 34 is somewhere here. 180, 40. And 250. And now we will join these points by freehand. This is your less than type ogive. Now, if you want to calculate the median from the ogive, you can see n upon 2 as 25, and from 25 on the y-axis, if you draw a perpendicular or a horizontal line to the graph ogive and then a vertical line to the x-axis, you will get the median. This abscissa, the x coordinate of this point, is your median, that is 138.57 approximate. Alright, now let's see how to draw the more than type ogive. For more than type ogive, we have to first find the data. More than or equal to the first lower limit, 100. This is also more than 100, more than 100, more than 100, more than 100, more than. That means 50 workers are earning more than 100. Then 120, more than or equal to 120, excluding this, all others are earning more than 120. That is excluding 12. So 50 minus 12 is 38. Similarly, more than or equal to 140 means these two classes are excluded. So we will calculate these three terms, that is 50 minus 26 and then 50 minus 34 and then 50 minus 40 to get the last frequency here. You see? And now again we can plot these points similarly by taking F, G, H, etc. 100, 50. 100, 50, F point, 120, 38 is somewhere here. Since I'm not using a graph paper, so it has to be approximations here. 140, 24, 140, 24 is somewhere here. And then 160, 16. Right here, and then 180, 10. Then join them by freehand. You see, both these ogives intersect at a point. The abscissa, the x-coordinate of this point is your median, that is 138.6 approximately. This is how we are supposed to do it. Thank you very much.